Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 9th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is up 55 cents, up 2.15% at 26.13. Post-market, we are at 26.07. We are down 6 cents. Okay, 55 cents looks very nice, but when we look at this chart here, we understand that this 55 cents is still part of this downward channel. So let me just jump right back into the 1 hour chart. I had a YouTube member comment in the section below. I forget your name, but you are super right. So basically, when the stock is doing a congestion zone, when it's going sideways like this and then drops like a rock, you can look at the angle of the lower highs that it made at some point before that drop, and you can draw a line. If you do that, if you had drawn this line, I should have drawn it yesterday. If you draw this line before the open today, you would have seen that this nice green candle during the first hour of the day was still under this resistance. Because if you had not drawn that resistance, you might have said, oh, nice green candle, the stock is back up, blah, 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 I'm going to go in. This green candle did not break outside of this resistance. Second hour either, and look at how the second candle was pretty much right smack on the resistance. The fourth hour also, the fifth hour still under that resistance. So we were in this downward channel, except for the last 2 hours of today where we broke outside of it. But it's a very weak break. The volume was not super high compared to the volume of the first hour of the day. Also, the bodies of the candle is very slim, and the total height of the candles, including the 2 wicks, is very shallow. So it's not a very confident break. Stochastic is at 62. Going back to the daily chart, that's the only positive thing in my opinion. So stochastic is back up to 84, which is quite strong. MACD is close to crossing over, and DMI has also been affected with what has been happening. So I don't think we are out of this downward channel yet. I think we will be outside of it if we break above 26.24, and this will mean that we are back into business. Or if we break under 25.74, then we are going back into this channel. If it goes back into this channel, we can go easily towards this support that we have here, 23.90. It's not impossible. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can become a YouTube member of this channel for only $5 a month. We have a TradingView affiliate link also. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.